Okay guys, so this lock here gave me a really big headache, and I couldn't find any help anywhere how to unlock this, and that's just unbelievable. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to unlock this piece, the harness wire from the case. This is pretty much the whole case for the air filter. Okay, so this is a lock. Actually, this is the wire harness for the air filter, and this lock is impossible to unlock unless you know how to do it, because this lock has actually this has a lock, and the lock in this has another lock. So this is the piece, and I almost broke it, but and I couldn't find any help on YouTube or anywhere on Google. So I show you how to unlock it. Well, first I show you how it goes in, so you will get a better idea how to unlock it. Okay, this here, the middle piece, is the lock that locks this connector. Okay, and this is how it works inside. Pretty much if you push on it, it will unlock. Okay, you see that, right? It will lift and it will unlock from the socket here, which has the lock at the bottom. Okay, so pretty much when you press this in, and that's without this piece, all you gotta do is just push on this or press on that, and it will come out. Okay, but when this piece is in, and this is actually a lock for the lock, I don't get it. This will actually lock the lock. So it's like a double lock. Okay, so this is how it goes in. Well, let me actually take it out. No, it doesn't matter. This is how it goes in, and it's even how to push it in. Okay, and now it's locked. So now the lock is locked. It makes no sense whatsoever. So what you gotta do, and I'm gonna try with my left hand, you just have to push this out, or pull this out first. Okay, completely, obviously. Okay, just pull it out like this, and now you press this and you can unlock it. Okay, and this goes pretty much back in there. If I can do it the right way, that'll be this way. It goes, there's like a little thing here. Pretty much this is how it goes. Okay, that's how it goes in. You see that, right? This notch is at the bottom, and now it's locked. Now it's like impossible to unlock it. So I thought I'm gonna throw this on YouTube just to help you out if you're fighting with this next time.